Hi guys! It's a rainy day today, which means that it's time for my shelf to be cleaned. The plants are going outside in the rain, and in the meantime, I'm gonna be cleaning my shelf, which is very dirty because the last time I cleaned it was the last time I made a video. I've been wanting to get this done for a while now, so this is very exciting for me. This is very exciting, and I hope my plants love the rain they get, and they're gonna be very happy when they come home to a clean shelf. Okay, here we go. You know, it's that time, that rainy time to clean the shelf again. So I'm gonna take all my plants outside that need it so that they can get some rain, some healthy rain, and then we can get to cleaning this filthy shelf. So I took the plants outside, and this is the shelf. You can see it is very disgusting, and some plants I had to keep inside because they can't be getting wet right now because I'm doing another little video thing. But yeah, this is the before. Also, I spilled this soil, so I'm gonna be having to clean that up too. All right, the shelf is clean. That was so fast. Like, once you get the plants off, it is so quick, and I don't even need to bring them back in because they're getting watered right now. But we do need to sweep, and also I need to clean those off because they have a lot of soil on them. So we're gonna get that done, and then the plants that I didn't take out, I'll put onto the shelf. But I already know one of these shelves is gonna be an orchid shelf, which is good because sometimes I just don't know where I'm putting my plants. Normally when I clean off the little water trays, I will do it outside with a little brush and kind of like brush them off into the grass. But I didn't want to get wet, so I literally just cleaned off every single one of them by hand. And I didn't get them super clean, but at least there was not excess soil on them. And it all worked out in the end. It did take a little bit longer, but that's okay. You can see this is my Maranta. These are the old leaves and they look really bad, but it came out with a new spike, which is why I love Marantas, because if they start looking crunchy and old like this, you just have to wait, and then eventually a new sprout will come out and they look so gorgeous. So I think I'm gonna actually cut this off because it's crunchy and I'm not a fan. It can attract spider mites, which I don't want to happen at all. So I'm gonna cut that off. It looks like these two are connected to the same like big stem under this leaf. Yeah, you can see. So, oh, there's spider web. See, imagine if this was spider mites, huh? This is what we want to avoid. So I guess I'm gonna cut this at the base, and then that's also what I did with this one. I actually feel kind of bad cutting it. I'll leave this one on and cut this one off and propagate this, I guess. And then I also have another one right here. So this one was a propagation that looked like this, as you can see this on here, except this is a variegated Maranta, and it's coming out with new foliage. I'm gonna repropagate this, I guess. And There we go. We'll leave it with a little bit on here, but look how nice the new leaves are. Like, wow, that is so pretty. This is why I love Marantas. Oh my goodness. I have 2 to propagate, and then this one I actually was gonna give away. I was trying to make it look prettier before I gave it away, because why the heck am I gonna give someone an ugly plant, you know? Like, anyways, so we're gonna put them where they belong now. This looks so good. I'm so excited to have this clean. I don't know why, but like I wanted to clean it earlier, but I just didn't. And then now that I've done it, oh, I feel so much better. And I feel like I always say that, but especially this time, like, wow. So I'm gonna have a tour pretty soon. I don't know which video is going up, the tour, my bedroom tour, like my bedroom plants tour, or this one, this cleanup video, but we'll see. I'm so excited. And then I guess I'll give you the final shot when I bring my plants in from outside, which, by the way, if you didn't know, I live in LA, and it doesn't, well, like the stereotypical Southern California weather, it's not cold. It was raining yesterday when I had some plants outside, okay? And then I left my house and it was hailing very hard. It was hailing so hard. And I was like, oh my gosh, my plants are out there. So I called my mom, and she was telling me, like, because I was texting my mom, like, it looks like it's snowing right now. The floor is white. It literally looked like there was snow. It was crazy. I've never seen anything like it. It was so crazy. And then my mom sent me like footage of my backyard. The monstera I just repotted was out there getting like pelleted by by Dippin' Dots coming out of the sky. Pretty much all my plants out there were, except for the ones under the thing, but my dad put my plants under the porch, like the awning or whatever it's called, the covering, so he saved them. Yay, Dad. But yeah, that was just a crazy story, because in the comment section of my rainy day routine video, someone said they were gonna put their plants out in the rain, and then it started hailing. And I don't know why that comment made me laugh so much, because I was like, wow, imagine your plants just started getting pelleted by hail. And then it happened to me. So yeah, random little story, but we'll get the final view when the other plants come in. But for now, it's looking so clean. Oh, I should clean my humidifier, so I'm gonna do that too. The sun is out today. We're done with the rain and the hail. Yay, you guys, it's done. I have my humidifier cleaned, and I have all the plants on here, and I have space. I have space for more plants. This is so exciting. I have lots of space, actually. Oh my goodness. But I kind of don't want to overcrowd it, because it gets to be kind of a lot. So right now this is how it's looking. I just need to get my snake plant back. But wow, yay. There we go. There's the final reveal. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got a clean shelf, watered plants. Everything's just feeling so much better. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!